if we look into the problem, what they are telling, we have a f of x here. So what they said, mod of f of x. Remember carefully, let me write it down. They are talking about if we have f of x is nothing but mod x raised to the power mod sine x, then we need to find f dash of x in where, at the point minus pi by 4. Is it okay? So if you check it out, we need to take x is equals to what, minus pi by 4. From this we can conclude something. Let me write the definition for the mod x. If you remember this one, mod x value will be what? This will be x if x is always greater than or equals to 0, minus x if x is less than 0. Is it okay? So from this, what we can conclude, at x is equals to minus pi by 4, which is in this neighborhood. Okay, so we can say that x is what, tending to negative pi by 4. So we can say that f of x value will be what, mod x will be minus x. So this will be minus x will be getting here. I'll be writing the same thing here. This is our minus x. Agree? Yes. And raised to the power, what we are having here, this is minus sine x. Is it okay? Yeah. So if you have any doubts, you just let me know it. Is it okay? Yeah. So what we can do, if I apply a log on both the sides, so we can say that, what we can say, log of a negative term. Is it okay? So which creates some issue here. Okay, fine. Let us, no issues. Let us solve this for further. If it is facing any difficulty, I'll show you. So whenever if you have a problem, f of x raised to the power g of x, so simply what should we do? We have to apply log on both the sides. Agree? So we will take apply log on both the sides. The same thing I'll be applying here. Okay, so this is nothing but log of f of x, agree, must be equals to, if I take it out, log of minus x raised to the power minus sin x I can take. Is it okay? Yeah, you can take, you can ask me, ma'am, we know that log of negative term will does not exist, right? But why I am taking negative means, here x is negative, agree, I'm talking about minus x is, I'm not saying about minus x is negative. Is it okay? They say that if my x is negative, minus x will be what, this is positive. You're not getting, let me help you. If x is a negative term, okay, minus x will be what, minus of minus 2, which is positive. Is it okay? That is what I am telling. Let us solve this for further. So what I can say, try to remember one point here. We have log x power of n will be what, always n times log x. So same formula I'll be applying here. So if I check this for further, we are having log of f of x. Is it okay? Must be equals to minus sin x. I can take it out. This is nothing but what, log of minus sin x. Is it okay? Yes. So now what should we do? Let us differentiate this function with respect to x on both the sides. What is log x derivative? Let me write that also. We have log x derivative will be what, always 1 by x, and we have sin x derivative. What is sin x derivative? That is also cos x, right? Let us apply. Log x derivative will be 1 by x. X means what? That is f of x times internal derivative will be f dash of x, must be equals to, what is sin x derivative? That is cos x into, see, remember we are applying the, if you forgot, let me help you, product rule, uv. What is uv formula? U times v is nothing but u dash v plus u into v dash. So same formula I'll be applying here. Sin x derivative will be what? Cos x alone. Minus is already there. Okay. Into log of negative x. Is it okay? Yes. Fine. So what we can do here, this is nothing but, okay, plus minus sin x will be as it is. Is it okay? Yes. Log of minus x. What is log x derivative? Log x derivative will be 1 by x. Is it okay? So I'll be applying same 1 by x here. So if I apply 1 by x, what I can say here, just a second, 1 by x means minus x here, and minus x derivative will be what? This is minus 1. Is it okay? Let me solve this for further. This is right side part and all what, calculation part. So I'll be getting 1 by f of x into f dash of x. If I check this, this is simply negative of the cos term. So negative cos x into, this is log of negative x. Okay. Minus minus here we can cancel. And one more minus is left. If I take that minus, what I'll be getting? Minus sin x by x alone we'll be getting, right? Now just a second. One more step is left over. F dash of x is nothing but what? Denominator, if it goes to f of x, times minus cos x into log of minus x minus, this is nothing but what, sin x by x. Is it okay? What we want? We want f dash at the point where x is equals to pi by 4. Is it okay? The same formula I'll be applying here. If I apply x is equals to pi by 4, Is it okay? At x is equals to pi by 4, 45 degrees. So f dash of pi by 4 is nothing but what? This is f of pi by 4. What is meant by f of pi by 4? We have a function f of x. I'll write that also here. Okay. This is nothing but minus cos, just a second. They are talking about not f of pi by 4, f of minus pi by 4. I'm sorry. This should be 1 minus here. This is minus. This is also minus. This is cos of minus pi by 4 times. This is log of minus minus plus. So this will be plus pi by 4. Is it okay? Minus. This is sine of minus pi by 4. Denominator will be what? Minus pi by 4. Is it okay? Yes. So this is nothing but what is f of minus pi by 4? We have a modulus function. So I can take it as minus mod pi by 4 raised to the power mod of sine of minus pi by 4. Is it okay? Yeah. And we know that pi by 4 is what? 45 degrees. What is cos 45? Cos 45 negative will be outside 1 by root 2. Is it okay? Yes. So this is simply log pi by 4. Nothing to change about this. Minus. So denominator minus numerator minus. Actually we can cancel. Is it fine? Yes, we can. So simply cancel it out. So this will be plus. Sine of minus theta will be what? So I can say that this is minus sine theta. So minus sine pi by 4. What is okay? Minus sine pi by 4. Let me write it down. And this is pi by 4 alone. Agree? Mod. What is the meaning of a modulus? Whenever you have a negative inside, we can remove the negative part. So this will be pi by 4. Sine of minus theta will be what? Minus sine theta. This is what? Minus 1 by root 2, which will become positive because of a modulus. Agree? So minus 1 by root 2 times. This is log pi by 4. Minus, what is sine pi by 4? 1 by root 2. Pi by 4, if I take a reciprocal, this will be 4 by pi alone. Is it okay? Yes. Any doubts up to here? Yes. So this is nothing but pi by 4 whole raised to the power 1 by root 2. So I don't want negative here. So if you look into this for further, log of a by b, okay, I can actually write it as minus times of log of b by a. Try to note it down. This is a formula. So this minus I don't want to take. This 1 by root 2. If I multiply minus inside, what I'll be getting here? This is log of 4 by pi. Okay, minus. So 1 by root 2. This is 4 by pi. We can take it out. Is it fine? Any doubts up to here? Yeah. So if you check this for further, yeah. So root 2 root 2. Okay, if you want to solve this for further, let me write it down here. So if you want to rationalize, simply let us apply multiply by 2 root 2 divide by root 2. Is it okay? Yes. So what I'll be getting here, this is pi by 4 raised to the power 1 by root 2. Numerator, this will be root 2. Root 2 times root 2 will be what? 2 alone, which is log 4 by pi. Is it okay? 4 I can write it as what? 2 times 2 by root 2 times pi. Agree? So if you check this, we have a by root a will be what? Always a alone. Okay, I'll be applying that formula here. So we got f dash of minus pi by 4 value. What we'll be getting here, which is nothing but pi by 4 whole raised to the power 1 by root 2. This is nothing but root 2 by 2. This is log of 4 by pi minus. So see, let me write it down. Root 2 and 1 by root 2. I can take it as what? Simply root 2. So 2 root 2 by pi. This is our final answer. If you feel like in between, just let me make a box of this. Yes, if you feel like this is there in the option, you can go for this. Some books they will prefer this as an option. Some books they will prefer this as an option. Whatever. Is it okay? If nothing is there, try to solve little bit few more steps. But the process is same. Is it okay, right? Thank you. All the best.